The next compound of sodium is sodium chloride, which is also called table salt or common salt. The main source of the sodium chloride is the seawater. So seawater is the main source because the seawater contains usually 2.7 to 2.9% by mass NaCl. So that is how it is the main source of the sodium chloride. Now what we do is we must understand in this that the seawater, when we take out in countries like India, we mainly take out sodium chloride or salt or this NaCl from the seawater. But the moment what we find is that we are taking out this sodium chloride, it is also having along with this NaCl is having along with this small amount of calcium chloride and magnesium chloride also. Now these two being deliquescent in nature absorbs moisture and makes the salt moist. So in order to make it completely moist, we don't want to avoid, we just want to avoid this. We have to remove these two salts from the NaCl. Now what we do normally nowadays is that how it is prepared is we take the crude salt which we have got from the seawater. We dissolve it in the minimum amount of water, passes then HCl gas through it. This results in the saturation of this NaCl, and this is what happens is the NaCl gets crystallized out. The chlorides of the calcium and the magnesium being more soluble, the remains in the solution, the sodium chloride separates out. Now, sodium chlorides, its melting point is 1081 Kelvin. It is very much soluble in water and its solubility is 36 grams per 100 grams of water at 25 degrees Celsius. It is used as a common salt, table salt, for our domestic purposes, as well as it is used in preparation of number of sodium compounds like sodium carbonate, sodium peroxide, sodium hydroxide, etc.